Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer Relay 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130. Excellent, runner, bargain, 79k miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 79,692. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The engine is fantastic, but there is a crunch when selecting 5th gear. Only all of the other gears and clutch are perfect, doesn't affect the performance or drive. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,625 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us